of days ago, I sent out a video where I was talking about getting rid of salad tongs because they weren't my style and I didn't use them anymore. And somebody's comment was like, what's the purpose of this video? What I didn't explain in that video is that one of the things I love about decluttering is it really gives you a chance to figure out who you are now, how you're actually living your life now, and where you want to go in the future. See, when I was younger and lived in other places, I loved entertaining. I loved having people over and cooking them meals, and the cooking and the cleaning didn't bother me. I had the energy, and my life has changed, and I don't really have the energy, and I realized that while I loved having people over, it was a big stress for me to have to do the cooking and the cleaning, and it really wasn't as enjoyable anymore, and so I had to let that go. And so what is the point of me keeping kitchen tongs when I already have ones I needed and enjoyed, and I wasn't living that life anymore? And so by getting rid of that, I allowed myself to let go of a part of me that is no longer true, and that's totally okay. And I can celebrate the great times and have those great memories, but I don't need to keep the stuff. And I realize that I'm moving into a different area where I'm enjoying other things and doing other things, and I have other passions. And so by decluttering, you're allowing yourself to let go of the things that are no longer fulfilling to you, that you no longer enjoy, you're no longer doing, so that you can allow the new things into your life. That was the point of what that video was about, is that decluttering helps you realize, hey, I don't do that anymore, and that's okay, or I don't want to, or that exhausts me, and it's just no longer who I am, and all of that is totally okay. And it can also help you go, oh, but you know what? I'm seeing all of these things that I do want to keep, and those are a big thing in my life, and I really do enjoy it, and that can help you move forward. So like, comment, and if you're ready to get your life decluttered so that you can discover who you are now and embrace that, DM me and let's talk.